Look at your hand. No, really look at it. That hand exists because a chain of events started 13.8 billion years ago, and somehow ended with you sitting here right now. You think you're a random person, in a random room, on a random Tuesday in 2026. But according to the highest-ranking military whistleblowers and the oldest Vedic texts in history, you are the most interesting thing in the galaxy. Statistically, you shouldn't exist. Yet here you are. And the universe is paying attention. The universe that should be loud. The universe is not just big, it's unimaginable. There are hundreds of billions of galaxies, each containing hundreds of billions of stars. Around most of those stars are planets. Some are rocky like Earth. Some are icy. Some have oceans under thick ice. Life, as we know it, only needs three things: water, energy, and the right chemical building blocks. Earth gave life all three, and life appeared fast, almost immediately after the planet became habitable. From this, scientists conclude life is probably not rare. Simple life, microbes, bacteria, ocean creatures, likely exists on millions, maybe billions of planets. But intelligent life? That's where the tension rises. If intelligence appears even once in a galaxy, it would have millions of years to expand, to explore, to signal. If civilizations like ours exist elsewhere, we should see signs, yet we see nothing. The Great Silence. This absence of evidence has a name: the Great Silence. Physicist Enrico Fermi famously asked, "Where is everybody?" The question is more urgent today than ever. We have telescopes that scan the sky. We have arrays listening for radio signals. We have satellites capable of detecting structures in other star systems. And still,
Nothing.
not a repeated signal, not a megastructure, not even a trace. This silence is not comforting. It's alarming. If life is common, why is the universe quiet? Some researchers believe advanced civilizations are avoiding us. Others believe we're too early to notice. Or maybe intelligence rarely survives its own technology. Whatever the answer, the Great Silence feels like a warning. Signals we almost received. There was one anomaly that got everyone's attention. In 1977, a radio telescope in Ohio detected the signal, a 72-second burst from deep space. Strong, sharp, unexplained, never repeated, never fully understood. Some claimed it was noise. Some believed it could be proof of intelligent life. We still don't know. And that uncertainty keeps you awake when you think about it. Because if intelligent life exists and they're silent, maybe it's not by accident. Maybe silence is a strategy. What could alien life really look like? Forget green humans. Forget Hollywood. Aliens might not be biological at all. They could be machines, evolved from civilizations that left their original bodies behind. Some could live beneath oceans on icy moons like Europa or Enceladus. Others might exist in gas giants, floating in layers of atmosphere we can barely comprehend. Intelligence doesn't require faces. It doesn't require eyes or limbs. It might not even require matter as we know it. And if we are looking for human-like creatures, we might miss them entirely. Ancient texts. Hint at something unseen. Now, let's bring it closer to Earth. Ancient texts, long dismissed as mythology, describe technologies that sound impossible today. The Vedic texts of India talk about vimanas, flying machines, glowing like fire, capable of moving between worlds. Some describe craft that change shape. Others describe energy sources unknown to modern physics. For thousands of years, humans have recorded encounters with beings that defy explanation. Could these texts be memories of real visitors? Or are they warnings written by people who knew something we no longer understand? Military whistleblowers support that the phenomena are not imagination. They report encounters with objects that defy gravity, move faster than physics should allow, and vanish without trace. The overlap is uncanny. Do you think aliens exist? And if they do you think they're watching us? Comment below. Ancient texts, modern radar, military witnesses, the threat you don't see now. Take a moment to imagine. What if you are already being observed? What if someone, or something, is watching your civilization from hidden vantage points, from orbit, or deep underground. Some declassified military documents hint at strange aerial phenomena that outmaneuver our fastest jets. Pilots describe objects performing accelerations humans cannot survive. And no, these are not planes, not drones, not known technology. The terrifying part? If aliens exist and are advanced enough to observe us, why would they let us see them? Antarctica, the hidden edge. Then there's Antarctica, a continent almost untouched by humans, a frozen desert. Historical records show strange expeditions. Operation High Jump in 1947 sent thousands of men, ships, and planes to Antarctica. The mission was supposed to last 6 months. It ended in 8 weeks, with unexplained retreats and vague military reports. Admiral Byrd reportedly warned of enemies from vast unknown regions, capable of flying from pole to pole at incredible speeds. Officially, it was military paranoia. Unofficially, the files remain classified. Under miles of ice could lie remnants of civilizations older than ours, or bases of beings so advanced we cannot even recognize them. Why you should care? You are not just sitting in a room. You are the center of a cosmic stage. If alien intelligence exists, the universe has been shaping itself around beings like you for eons. Every discovery we make, radio waves, signals, anomalies, is a piece of a puzzle we didn't know we were part of. And the questions get darker. What if civilizations hide themselves because discovery is deadly? What if advanced beings observe us, but never intervene, because they are waiting for something? What if the great silence is not absence, but a warning we can't yet interpret? Escalating curiosity/middle scare. Think about it. We know there are planets with oceans. We know life appears wherever conditions allow. We know intelligence evolves when it can. So there should be life. There should be visitors. But there isn't. And the universe is enormous. If intelligent civilizations exist, they had millions of years head start on us. They could have visited Earth unnoticed. They could have engineered events in our past. And yet, they stay hidden.
Ask yourself.
If you were millions of years ahead of humanity, would you announce yourself? Or would you remain in the shadows, invisible, watching? The answer to that question may define the rest of human history. This is just the beginning. Part 2 reveals who, or what, is really watching. Subscribe before you miss it.